All right, guys, I want to go over some of our fittings that we have and what they suit and some other things that they suit and all sorts of things. So first up, we've just most recently developed the Q50, Q60 CNC fittings. So these will adapt into all of the connection points on the AC system of an Infiniti Q50, Q60. Next up, we've got Jeep Trackhawk and then 2014 plus Grand Cherokee. So they will all suit plugging into the connection points there as well. CT5V Blackwing. Now, something to note about the GM style fittings, and we'll go over some of the others as well, is they do suit other stuff, which is really handy actually for when we make fittings. But these ones are specifically for CT5. We had to go and make them. This is an older fitting that we do use on some other GM vehicles, but these ones are unique. I know these all look quite the same. They're actually different. They're all different, but similar. Very similar. Challenger Charger 300C fittings also suits other Dodge and Ram products. 5th Gen Camaro, Pontiac G8, Chevy SS, Holden VE, VF fittings. Using those since the beginning. Well, we've been doing this for like 11 years now. F80, BMW plus others. Trying to work out what they suit still. We're not that familiar with the BMW scene. They do get very, very cold though, but those fittings suit a lot of different models from the F80 era, okay? F-150 and Mustang, new models, so 2014 plus F-150, 2015 plus Mustang. With the Mustang, you guys keep asking us, does this suit this particular model, my GT500, my special black edition, whatever the bullshit is? All Mustangs are the same. I can't reiterate this so much. Your AC system is the same, okay? The AC system's all that matters. Learn that, okay? Your special Mustang is just a Mustang. Ram TRX and other Ram models. This sort of crosses over with Challenger Charger and Trackhawk fittings. So what I'm trying to say here between these three is there's some models out there, Dodge and Ram products that are different to TRX and Ram that use a combination of some of these fittings. So we've had people contact us where we end up using these two fittings and this one from a Ram, or we end up using these two and that one from the Trackhawk. Yeah, contact us with whatever the model is. We'll figure out what works. Usually we got it, okay? So a whole bunch of things work. 6th Gen Camaro, CTS V3, ATS-V, and some trucks. So GM-based trucks, your GMCs, your Sierras, Silverados, you know, GM trucks. A lot of GM trucks suit the same as the 6th Gen Camaro, CTS V3, and ATS-V. CTS V2 plus others as well. This sort of comes into the GM family, these three here. We can pretty much do almost any GM vehicle with these three that we have. Not available yet. You keep asking us about it. We're waiting on a supplier. Suits G80 and others. We'll have a kit for the G80 really soon. Stop hassling us. GM trucks. This one also goes across with some of these other GM fittings, like I was saying. This allows us to bolt into that. So look, we've got a lot of different fittings. We can bolt into a lot of different cars without having to do that, without having to cut anything. In saying that, if you guys have a kit that we don't have, you can always bolt in. Let me show you something here. So cut your rubber hose, crimp one of these guys in, you know. If you don't have conventional hoses, weld a barb into it. You know, if that doesn't suit you, what else we got? We got some other fittings, other fittings over there. There's a whole bunch over there. Anyway, we can do any car on the planet. If you have an AC system and an intercooler, we do a chiller for it. Every car on the planet. We've been doing this now for 11 years. We're the best in the industry. People try to copy us. They can't match our performance. We're the best. We always will be the best. And good luck trying to catch up. All right, thanks guys. Have a great one. Bye.